We have to hurry because there's literally a cop in the parking lot. He's like right around the corner.
I'll be as quiet as I can. Here's a bag. Here's a box. Here's some other boxes. Where'd he go? Crap. Not mind me. I'm just hanging out in the dumpster, trying not to make any noise. There's the others. Alright, time to get out.
Is that everything?
Yeah, that's it. Oh my gosh.
Good job.
Let's take a peek in here and see what we see. What's in there? I gotta know. Let's see what's inside this basket. I can even open it. It says potatoes on it. I don't know if it is indeed potatoes. It is. It's some potatoes, and they're not bad. I'll take it. Now that I can get the lid back on it. Perfect. Ugh. Shovel in here. Get this box of potatoes. Alright, get that and go.
All right, you guys, we're in this open top right now, and I think we got something. I didn't have the camera going because I thought it was going to be a bust, but it might be pretty good. It's in this box right here. I've only peeked in it so far, but looks like we got some power tools. We got a grinder that they cut the cord on. That's not a big deal. That can be fixed. Thank you, honey. We have another grinder, and this one's a DeWalt, baby. Yes. That's a part for probably the DeWalt. We'll need that. What else? There's a cordless drill. Not a cordless drill. It's a corded drill, but there's no cord on it, so it is a cordless drill.
You jumped out just as good as I do.
All right, here we go.
Good. Yes.
What you got? Nothing good. Nothing.
Good Lord. Somebody made a mess. Could be back here. Oh, that's a big roach.
Yeah. Alright, this particular store is going out of business. We'll try and keep an eye on it. Doesn't look like they've thrown anything good away. Is it actually just trash for once?
Well, I mean, there's some pictures in here. But otherwise, yeah.
Alright, here we go on the next one. Right there. Oh, wait. There's some Capri Sun.
What'd you find? Oh, Capri Sun. Crate and grabbers. That should help. Maybe. You got to me way.
Yes.
Is that like full?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh. Almost.
I thought there was a recall on these here recently. I'm just trying to be careful, okay? empty?
Good job, you got,
Got
it.
it. I'm handing it to you. Okay. Time to go on. See what else is out there.
That's an empty dumpster. That is also an empty dumpster. And that is a locked dumpster. Alright guys, wish us luck. It's the last one of the evening.
Holy crap.
What you got over there, darling?
Good question. What is all this? Oh boy, I've been here.
What you got?
Well, I mean, I'm seeing some chocolate in here, so here we go. Grab that bag.
Yes, ma'am.
Take it.
Ooh.
I know it's got some weight to it, don't it? Not so much. What about you? Just a whole bunch of receipt papers and dirt in that one. I don't remember if I grabbed that one or not. Oh, I'm going to swing that over the side. So far, one.
Not bad.
No, not at all.
Couple of goodie bags tonight.
That looks like a broom dusty dill. Nah. I like grab bags, but you never know what you're going to get. That was some twisted tea.
Oh yeah.
But I don't see anything else now, so another grab bag. I'm
Alright.
excited for that one. Well, it's that time now. I'm going to start going through the bags. I'm going to go through this one outside because it appears to have a whole bunch of trash inside of it. And I just want to be closer to the dumpster to throw stuff away. So I'm going to go through this bag here. I'll show you what's inside of it. And then I'm going to go through our next bag and then show you what we got all together. Unfortunately, this was all that I was able to salvage out of that bag. The Lindor chocolates were a complete disaster. They were melted all the way down into the bottom of the bag. You know, we still have that nasty Texas heat. So let's take a look inside and see what else we got. Now it's time to go through bag number 2. So we'll just kind of rip open this sucker here. Take a peek. And now I'm going to go through this bag and set everything out on the table. And here are the contents of that bag. We definitely got our usual here, the melted Reese's, some ding dongs, some bundt cakes, a pack of corn tortillas, and 5 packs of some Crunch Mini donuts. Alright, let's take a look at everything all together as to what we found. And here is everything laid out on the table of what we found. Not a whole lot, but we did manage to get a few donatable goods. So we got the Capri Sun Strawberry Kiwi. I am going to check into the recalls on this because I know there was some sort of a recall on the Capri Sun. The Cinnamon Swirl Baby Buns, 2 boxes of Ding Dongs, the yellow corn tortillas, 8 packages of the Reese's Minis, of course melted, 3 power tools back here with the cords cut, some Reese's sticks, 5 bags of donuts, and 7 boxes of the raspberry zingers. So not really a bad haul. Like I said, some good donatable items to go in the food pantry because we will be having a pretty big donation coming up of everything that we have found over the last couple of dives. Well, that does it for this video. Thank you all for watching. For those of you that are on Facebook, be sure to follow our page. For those of you that are on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe, and do not forget to check out Junkies Adventures. And as you know, we will be back with another video as soon as we can.